Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your recovery phrase on the Robinhood Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Robinhood Wallet application on your device, and after you have logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, since the application doesn't ask you to back up your recovery phrase immediately while creating your account, you will need to do this manually. After your account is created, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Backups and Security. You now have two options to back up your wallet. Tap on the My Wallet option to use your Google Drive account. In order to back up your wallet, you can simply select your Google account and your seed phrase will be backed up within this account. Alternatively, you can tap on View Recovery Phrase and then tap to view your phrase. Once your seed phrase is revealed to you, you can tap on the Copy to Clipboard option and also make a manual note. Then you can tap on the Done button once you have backed it up, and now your backup process is complete. You can use both manual as well as Google Drive backup method if you wish. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to back up your seed phrase on the Robinhood Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.